How to share an Instagram post to Facebook after you have posted your post on Instagram. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video. So let's get started right away. So when I switch to Facebook real quick, you can see that I don't have any posts on here. And on Instagram, I have a post here. So once I click on it and then click on the top right on the three dots, and then click on post to other apps, you can actually see here share to Facebook. So what you want to do is simply click on there and then click on share. And now we just have to wait a bit. And once this loads up, I will switch back to Facebook and I will show you guys that it is actually shared on there as well. So now let's refresh real quick and you should see, yeah, right over here. Just now I have posted this picture over here. So that's exactly how you can do it. That's exactly how to share Instagram posts to Facebook after posting. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.